Hey, how y'all doing? My name is Darnell, and for those who don't know, I've been drawing all my life. In fact, it was my time as an editorial cartoonist that introduced me to photography. And for a period of time, that was all I was passionate about, put the pencil down and everything. It wasn't until I started volunteering with kids that I picked the pencil back up and really started loving drawing again. And so, it's in the spirit that I decided to create this short series based on how to draw. So, if you're interested, for this exercise, all you need is a mechanical pencil and something to draw on, right? So, if you're ready, let's go. So, first thing to keep in mind when you first starting out a sketch is to really just be loose with the pencil. Kind of glide over the paper. You don't want to press down hard. You got to get the stance right. This is not a finished piece. This is just the beginning. I use a little bit of foreshortening on the arms. So when it comes to drawing faces, a nice tip would be to use a cross to determine the direction that the face is pointed. After that, we start to add a little bit of details to the face, a nice little smirk, and then we'll give him a box just to show how cool he is and hip. And then from there, we can start adding a little bit more detail to the body. Give him a simple t-shirt, maybe some skinny jeans. We'll put a little bit of cuff in there for detail. After that, you can kind of rough in the shoes, maybe give him some soles. White sneakers is timeless, so you don't have to do too much on that. Okay, now that we did something for the guys, let's do something for the ladies. So we'll start the same way. So if you start with a teardrop, that, just a little cut for the neck, and we can come back out. It's like a trapezoid for the body, and then we can give her a skirt. Give her some shoes. All right. She don't care, so we're gonna cross her arms. And say she's looking at us. Go to T. And so to help differentiate boy from girl, I'll just give the girls nice luscious eyelashes. Women appreciate that. The bigger the eyes, the younger the kid appears. Let's give her some pigtails. She got nice afro puffs. And she's happy to see us too. So put lips. eyebrows make you sympathetic. You can raise one above the other. Lower eyebrows make you devious. Cool. Cool. All right, so when it's all said and done, boom. In the next episode, we'll start to finish the sketch and then do some inking. And eventually we'll get into coloring. So, yeah.